Today I need to make a house for the pigs, so we're going to end up cutting the beam here, 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 and up there, and then cutting an opening so they can get in and out. I'm going to cut this, which ain't a big deal. Just plastic and metal stuff. Cheap sawzall. We'll get in here and bottom ones are hard cut. There's a wasp living in there. A little warm, I gotta put my hat and my safety goggles on. This blade is old. This blade is pretty old and it's bent. It's been well used. Alright, we had a visitor come pick up some rabbits. We'll get back to cutting now. Now we gotta get over here where the wasp has been hanging out. Where'd you go, Wolf? Yes, there he is. Well done. Look how big I made the other door. Alright, we want just a small here. Well, I guess I gotta go get a battery. Yeah, I got my new battery, and I got to thinking, it's like, this is a pain to do, but I didn't go over the thing where the reason I'm putting it on this side, not the side with the drain hole, so I'd rather have the drain hole open at the back of it. That way I can leave a lip on this thing, not too much, for the potbellies that are going to be using it. And it's always adjustable, you can always come back and see where you want it. I would do it with a knife, but I don't want to get cut. And power tool is actually way safer. He's back again. Where you hiding at? Butthole. That run, that high, that's the end of it. I don't know how I'm getting the edge on this. It just stops right there, touches the metal. So we're done with that. And done with that. Now this part, I don't want to remove it in case I really need to use it for another animal. Like if I had goats in there, I would want to leave it out and build a bracket. But instead, we're going to put it right here, and I'm going to drill a hole through it and use it zip tie, hold it in place. It's going to keep some of the rain out, but pigs don't necessarily need that. It doesn't get that cold down here. I know they're expecting an extra cold winter, but let's see if I can find a zip tie. And that's it. I'm gonna move the camera in. I'm gonna get it in the pin and show you where I'm gonna install it, and we'll be done. Alright, I just gotta get it in position. Alrighty, that's it. If I come and find they're not using it because this lip is too high, I can always come in here and cut it down. I think I'm going to end up putting the second one in here. I got another one to cut, so that ain't going to be on this video. So, friendly or you still mean? Well, still mean. Alright. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I need to get a decent amount of subscribers so my phone could get a little bit better and built up. But thanks for watching. I'll see y'all in the next video.